feel like I need to check it like every 5 seconds. Okay, you know those like, those icks? You know what I'm talking about. I feel like a girl ick is like when your clasp is on the side. Like, am I right or am I wrong? Because that, like, I feel like it's kind of an ick. At least for me. What's good, guys? It's me, Becca Lynn, and today I'm back with a very highly requested video. So I've been asked like countless times like how I do my eyeliner, and I feel like I should just make a video. So that's why I'm saying it's a highly requested video, but like no one actually asked me to make a video, you're just getting one with the rest of my makeup. So I hope you enjoy it. I change my makeup all the time. I've only been doing this eyeliner for like maybe 3 months, but I'm already literally about to change it. So I was like, I should probably do this now. Okay, let's start this video. Oh my god, why does it, oh, what is that? Is that from me rubbing my face? That's not. Okay. Oh my god, I saw the new Batman movie the other day. You know, I never really had a thing for Robert Pattinson. Anyways, okay, let's start. What I do first is, what I do first is I use my Revlon Color Stay eyeshadow primer. I usually put it literally just where I'm putting my eyeliner and then in my eyebrows. Because you'll learn through this video that I only use eyeshadow for like literally everything. It's really bad. Actually, I don't know if it's bad. I mean, I know that's not what it's made for, but... Okay, so next I'm gonna put in eyebrow gel. This is a very unnecessary step for me because no matter how much I put in, they don't stay in place. So I don't really know why I do it, but I do it anyways. Also, this bottle is completely empty. I kind of just brush them up, and then the ends I brush not down, but like to the side, I guess. So it comes out more like a point, if that makes any sense. So as I wait for my eyebrows to fall completely back into this place they were just in, I'm gonna put on my highlighter, which is actually eyeshadow. This is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible eyeshadow in Ice Latte. Honestly, I do this now and later. I don't do makeup right. Right now I'm putting highlighter in the tear duct corner of my eye and then right underneath of my eyebrows. Next I'm gonna put on CoverGirl concealer in literally the lightest possible shade right next to Paper White. So I don't wear foundation. I probably should. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay, after you're done pouring half the bottle onto your face to cover your zits, like me, I'm putting it on my nose because I have rosacea, so there's a... Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on. I just remembered my friend and I used to make videos to send to each other because we wanted to do YouTube. I made a makeup tutorial video. Oh, no. It was a get ready with me.
I also put concealer on my nose because my nose has rosacea, and if I don't, it looks really red and people always think I'm sick or there's something wrong with me.
That's so funny. That was so bad. I put concealer like here and here. They keep changing what you're supposed to do, but I'm doing it here. Also, I'm realizing now that I should have done my concealer before I did my highlighter. I think that I don't remember because we've been wearing masks for so long that I haven't really been covering my face. So I don't remember. That's probably most accurate. If, no one's actually following this tutorial. I'm just gonna say, like, if you are following, like, do your concealer first, but no one's gonna do this except for the eyeliner. Everyone's here for the eyeliner, so let's just keep going. So next I do my eyebrows. I use the Just Peachy Matte palette from Too Faced, and I just fill in my eyebrows with the chocolate dipped. It could be too dark, it could be too light, but they're filled in now. I'm doing my eyeliner now. I use the Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner in Blackest Black. Okay, so I'm gonna try to describe it. I'm awful at describing things, so if anything, just mute it and like look at what I'm doing. I think that this eyeliner is made for people with hooded eyes. But that doesn't mean you can't do it. I think I've seen it on people who don't have hooded eyes and it looks good anyways. So I'm just still gonna show you how you do it. I start from here and I draw a line. What angle depends on the day. Really what I'm trying to go for is just so it doesn't really like hit my crease, because otherwise it's like, it goes like this, literally it goes like this. That's how it looks if it's not done right on my eye. So I'm doing it at the same time because when it gets too big, it's kind of hard to match the angle. From the middle of my eyelid, I draw just like a straight line to the tip. So, I did that. Looking at it after, are they even? I don't think so. But I'm gonna keep going because I am. You know, a lot of people will say that I'm really good at makeup, and they're like, oh, and I'm like, well, you could do it too. And they're like,
no, like, it's only because you are an artist.
And I'm like,
That's not true.
because obviously right now, Exhibit A. Not even. Exhibit B. My roommate freshman year, who was hands down one of the best, or still is, like one of the best artists, like illustrators I've ever seen, and she could not do a wing. She would like come into our room, she'd be like, can you help me? Because I literally can't get them even. So it's not about your artistic ability. It's about if you can make a straight line, which not all artists can. So next, this is when it gets a little confusing. This is how I do it because I have hooded eyes. I don't know if you do, if you have another eye. Maybe it still works. I don't know. I only know my eyes. When I look straight at the mirror, my above part of my eyelid like comes over and it blocks it off. I don't know if you can tell. From the point where it starts to look like it's my whole eyelid, I draw a straight line to my tip. This is kind of what it looks like now. Sometimes I stop there for fun. Pretty much from there, I just draw an angle down. Just draw a line down. And that's pretty much how you do that. Next, I do that little inner corner thing. I hope I explained that well enough for you to follow. Also, this counts as eyeliner. I use the NYX Professional Makeup eyeliner pencil to do my my under eye, my eyeliner. Yeah, what is this? Under eye? What is this called? Waterline. Oh my god, okay. My waterline. I put out my waterline. I'm gonna put on my mascara as well. I use the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect mascara. And I really like it. So next, I'm just gonna do contour, which I actually use a contour palette, not eyeshadow. I use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. I couldn't read that. I thought it was Mega Glow. Oh my god, that was so much. That probably doesn't look good. Next, I'm gonna do blush, and you're gonna hate me. It's my eyeshadow. So I put it on the apples of my cheeks and my nose, which I guess brings back the red that I covered. I don't know what I'm doing. So next I do the highlighter again with the same eyeshadow as before. I'm done. I'm done. Am I done? What if I wasn't done? I think I did it all. I feel like there was something else I was gonna say. I had to like start writing things down that I knew I wanted to say because I would forget them and then I would film a video and I was like, I didn't say that. Now what am I gonna do? Anyways, thanks guys for watching my video. I hope I explained my eyeliner good enough for you and you can do it. Like and subscribe down below if you enjoyed, and I guess I'll see you next video. Bye guys.